Hi there, students. Grift. To grift as a verb. Grift as a noun, both countable and uncountable. And I guess a grifter, the person. Okay, to grift means to swindle. Yeah? To get money dishonestly from somebody. So, I don't know, a film about two grifters trying to swindle a rich old lady. So grift, to swindle, but this is small scale, yeah, petty swindles. He's been grifting all his life to make ends meet. He's never done an honest day's work in his life. So grift, a small scale rip-off, a scam, if you like. So, I don't know, I rather view people who claim to be psychic as grifters, yeah? It's good grift, it's a good way to get money out of people, yeah? But I don't think it's particularly honest. So, obtaining money by fraud, but on a small scale. Yeah, he's always trying to grift people out of their money. If you see some guy on a street corner trying to sell you the product of your life, this is grift. He's grifting. He's trying to swindle people. I was wondering if you could call politicians grifters, but I think probably not, because they don't do it on a small scale. They do it on an enormous scale with lots of money, and that's not grifting. That's corruption directly. Yeah, so a grifter, a small scale con man. Yeah, it's very difficult to grift a grifter because they've probably been grifting all their lives, yeah? Okay, so various methods to obtain money by swindling people, by fraud, by dishonest gambling, etc. How long has this employee been grifting the company? Yeah? Been stealing things or been falsifying his expense account or something like that. So that's the idea of grift, to swindle. Notice this word is an informal American word. You might use it in British English, but Brits might not understand what it means. I think I would probably give it something like 3.75 in formality. So something only to use in an informal conversation, particularly with Americans. Yeah? So grift, money made dishonestly in swindling people, money obtained by fraud, swindling people to get money. I'm thinking of in the old days where they used to have patent quack cures. This medicine will cure coughs, lumbago, headaches, period pains, infected cuts. It will cure absolutely anything. No, this is grift. The people selling these quack medicines were clearly grifters. They probably put a bit of alcohol and a bit of water in a bottle and then went around trying to sell it. Okay, so to grift, a confidence game, yeah, a swindle. Yeah, there are lots of various films about grifters trying to grift people. Yeah, it's a con game to obtain money illegally or perhaps immorally through deceitful means. So to grift, a regular verb. He grifted the old lady. He has grifted all his life. And then as to origin, well, apparently this comes from American criminal underworld slang from the early 20th century, maybe 1910, something like this. And I think it's probably an alliteration. Sounds like the word graft, which in those days you can use to mean corruption, illicit profits, bribes, things like that. Okay. Maybe it's also sounds similar to the word drift, and maybe that as well. I think probably ultimately graft comes from the Dutch word graft, which means digging, a ditch, a canal, a trench. Okay, maybe if you're in a hole, stop digging. Okay, so to grift, to swindle someone, to rip them off. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A grifter grifts.